What a night it was at the Dubai International Stadium, the grand finale of the Asia Cup 2025. The atmosphere was electric, the crowd split between green and blue, and the stakes couldn't have been higher. India won the toss and chose to ball first, putting the pressure on Pakistan's batter to set a big score in the final. And for a while, Pakistan looked unstoppable. Sahibzada Farhan smashed 57 runs, Fakhr Zaman added 46, and together they stitched on 84 runs opening stand that silenced the Indian fans and gave Pakistan hope of a massive total. But cricket is a game of moments, and this final turned on its head in just a few overs. From a powerful 113 for 1, Pakistan crumbled to 146 all out in just 19.1 overs. Kuldeep Yadav was a magician with the ball, ripping through Pakistan's middle and lower order with 4 wickets for 30 runs, leaving Pakistan shell-shocked. It was one of the most dramatic collapses in Asia Cup history, and the Indian fans roared back into life. Chasing 147, India's start was nothing short of a disaster. Shaheen Afridi and Fahim Ashraf struck early blows, reducing India to 20 for 3. The green shirts was bouncing, the crowd was deafening, and it looked like Pakistan was on their way to glory. But then comes the calmness of Tilak Verma. Under immense pressure, he showed maturity beyond his years, anchoring the innings with an unbeaten 69 from 53 balls. He found support from Sanju Samson, who added 24, and later Shivam Dube, whose fairy 33 of 22 balls completely shifted the momentum. But here's where Pakistan lost their grip. Their main strike bowler, Haris Rauf, had a night to forget. In a game where every ball mattered, Rauf bowled one of his worst spells in a big final, leaking runs at crucial moments and failing to hold his nerve against set batsmen. Instead of tightening the screws, his wayward bowling released the pressure, allowing India to rebuild and counter-attack. The Verma-Dube partnership broke Pakistan's spirit, and as the match entered the final over, India needed just a handful of runs, and fittingly, it was Rinku Singh who sealed the deal with a cracking boundary, sending Indian fans into a frenzy. India chased down 147 in 19.4 overs, finishing at 150 for 5, and claimed their 9th Asia Cup title, a record that shows their dominance on the big stage. So why did India win? It was a combination of Kuldeep's match-winning spell, calm partnership under pressure, and Pakistan's failure to handle the heat of a final. Why did Pakistan lose? Because of their dramatic batting collapse, their inability to stop Verma and Dube, and the poor bowling performance of Haris Rauf, which made the chase far too comfortable in the end. In the end, it was India who held their nerve, executed their plans, and walked away champions of Asia yet again. And Pakistan left wondering how a dream start turned into a heartbreak so quickly. And that's how the Asia Cup 2025 final unfolded. A roller coaster of emotions, a night of collapse and comeback, and a reminder of why India-Pakistan matches are never ordinary. India are once again crowned champion of Asia, while Pakistan will go back to the drawing board asking what went wrong. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's biggest cricket battles. Drop your thoughts in the comment. Do you think Pakistan lost the match because of their batting collapse or Haris Rauf's poor bowling performance? We would love to hear your take. Until next time, this is SportX Global signing off. Stay passionate, stay excited, and keep celebrating the beautiful game of cricket. See you in the next one.